Hi friends, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. In case you're wondering what day it is, it's October 3rd. So it's Mean Girls Day. It's not Mean Girls Day when I'm filming this, but I'm wearing my Mean Girls shirt, which is definitely not my style of shirt, but I keep it literally just to wear on Mean Girls Day every year. Anyways, today I'm going to try to make my own clothes based off of TikTok tutorials that I saw on Pinterest. I will leave the links in the description box for the original tutorials. They're all pretty different. I'm not really sure what all I'll get to today. I'm going to start by trying to make the skirt, the Cara skirt. It's a Brandy Melville popular skirt. I never fit in the Brandy Melville skirts, so I'm excited to make my own version of this skirt. I have this beautiful fabric. So it's going to be a skirt for fall. I love skirts in the fall and wearing like skirts with sweaters. If my arms are covered, then I'm never cold. I don't know if that's everybody or if that's just me being weird, but that's the situation for what we're gonna make today. So I'm going to go ahead and get my measurements for the skirt, which I'm going to draw out what I'm doing on this piece of paper, and I'll show you what we're working with. So I'm gonna measure myself and then I'll see you. So I cut out, this is really wrinkly paper, but I swear it's the right measurements. I cut out my 3 templates. This one I only need 1 of. This is the front panel. So I have the fabric doubled up here, and I'm going to cut out these, 2 of these. This is the back, the 2 back pieces, and this is the side of the front. So I'm going to cut both of those out, and then I'm going to only do a single layer of that piece here. And then I'll show you what I have. The front is done. Okay, so I'm like really not sure how to do the zipper. So this is gonna be the part that we figure out together. Like I was pretty confident on the first, like on the front, and doing the seams and like finishing it off. And I think this looks really nice. The zipper, on the other hand, I'm nervous about. So I have this white zipper. You're supposed to use like an invisible zipper, but I got this zipper because I think that they're easier to grab onto. So you're supposed to open the zipper and then pin this to one of the sides and then do the same thing to the other side and just like zip it in there. I'm really not sure. This is the video I'm watching. So this is the back. This is when she's doing it. Okay, so she says invisible zipper, open and pin, sew end together. I guess I pin it to what's gonna be the front. So I'm going to have it like a little bit from the top, and I'm going to line it up like completely to the edge. And I'm going to sew, I think I'm gonna sew it twice. I'm gonna sew it right along the edge, and then I'm gonna sew it right here, like right before the zipper, so that when it opens up, it'll open up like this, so then the zipper will be hidden. I think that's how it's gonna work. So on the inside, this is what it'll look like. And on the outside, this is what it'll look like. So it's hidden. I think that's cute. So the first thing I did is sewed along this very edge, the edges together, which is what I'm going to try to do again. It's a little hard next to the zipper, but once you get past the zipper it gets easier. With my needle in the middle, I'm going to sew along that line. This is so cute. Okay, like I didn't measure my waist properly, so I have like a huge gap. I'm thinking I can fix that. Good morning, friends. It is the next day. Last night we went over to my parents' house for dinner and I had to hem something for my dad. So I did that and then went over there. There's this cute, it says bralette, but it looks just kind of like a cute like halter. The pattern for this bralette, which you didn't see because it didn't show you. That would be cute. And that looks like the same material. So this is my poorly done drawing of what we're going to do today. And like this is what the back will look like, I guess. So it'll be like the front and the back. So it says to first take the underbust circumference. I don't know how to make the pattern. Oh, I get it. Oh, okay, because it's gonna be like the two sides. Oh, okay. So you like dart up the cup to like go with the curvature of the cup, and then you have like your pattern. So I'll need like a piece of fabric that I can like draw on. You'll see because I'll like, put the video down there. But I'm gonna like lay the fabric over the bra cup and then pin it to the bra cup and then like draw on it where I'll have to like cut the fabric. Okay, so it's like, so you end up with like this kind of shape. I don't know if you can see that, but that is like half the cup and that's half the cup because these two tops will come together, and then that's why it like comes out like a triangle. Okay, so I have this like back of a t-shirt for like some extra fabric. So I'm laying it over the bra because that's what it says to do. And then it says to pin it, hold on bro. Mold and pin to the fabric. Dart pin. So I'm supposed to pull it up. Hope that's not bleeding through. Oh, I didn't need it that way. I needed it the other way. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, I understand. Okay. 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 I'm gonna get a different piece of fabric. Hold on. Which is looking so much better the second time around. That's definitely looking better. But I'll show you what I did. Okay, so like I pinned around the cup, around the bottom of the cup, and then I darted it from the middle of the cup up, and I continued to dart it to the desired cup length. And I wanted my cup kind of long so that it would be like cover a little bit more. And then I drew up the sides of both of those on each side of the dart, and now I'm going to connect the top to the bottom, which is the 1/8 of my full circumference of my underbust. So now I'm going to connect them and then I'm going to cut it out. I ended up with two pieces that look like this. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut them out. So I have like cut out the like actual paper pattern. So I have some paper and I'm going to allow for like seam allowance and cut out what I need cut out. Okay, so I have the 2 bralette cup with, and don't forget when you cut out your patterns to allow for seam allowance. But I'm going to lay this side on the fold. I'm gonna cut 4 of these and 4 of these. I have the bralette band, which the width should be like 5 to like 4 or 5 inches, and then the length will be 1/8 of your circumference, because you're gonna cut this out twice and you're gonna do it along the fold. So you'll end up with 2 pieces, but there'll be like 4 of these. Does that make sense? So I'm gonna cut that out now. I did the 1.5, I don't even know where it went. Oh, there it is. The 1 inch by 15 inch strap, which looks like this, but it was really hard to try and get it to like pull through with the safety pin. So I recut straps that were 3 inches. So this is 1.5 inch, 3 inches like folded over, and made the tube straps out of that. So I have the right, like that outside nice seams of my cups facing each other, and the strap matched up at the top. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, but I'm just pinning it together so that I can sew it together. And I'm just doing like up and down on the cup and leaving the bottom open. Now I have my 2 cups for my shirt on their straps. So now I sew the band together. Actually looking really cute. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you want to see more of me trying to be creative, make my own clothes. I really like how this turned out. It fits very loose. I don't know why both of the things that I made, the skirt and the shirt, both like are way bigger than the measurements. Like I literally measured my body to make this and it came out too big, and like I don't know what went wrong like while I was sewing it. But anyways, I hope that you enjoy this video. It would make my heart super, super happy if you would subscribe to my channel so that we could be friends. I will put in the description box the original TikToks that I used to make the shirt and the the shirt and the skirt. I can't wait to try making more. If you see any other shirts of this style on my social media, I probably made it myself, because I think I'm going to make more shirts like this and try to get maybe like a little bit tighter. I don't know. I like it. Anyways, that is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.